Meron sa likod eh. Ano? Aray. Yung likod, love.
Meron sa harap. Mamaya mali na sakyan ko.
Ano mamaya yung mali? Ay, double check the ano.
Miss ka na auto ni Pao?
Ha? Na-miss na namin yung auto mo. O nga, hirap nga yung shoe. Thank you. This is new ata.
Meron pa dito.
Laron.
Nantok na ako.
Naantok ka na rin pala eh. Sumama ka na.
Yeah. Wait.
Look, you pay muna. Ikaw mo na magkasama.
Oo na. Sigaw muna lahat.
Okay. Play mo talaga ng hindi ka.
Kayo po ba yung nasa FB?
갇혀버린 시간에 이유는 없어서
Kayo po ba yung nasa FB? Ha? Siya yung...
We're going to Soko.
Siya yung nagkakamari ano?
Soko.
Sorry, babansa
Yeah.
ko sa FB.
Pwede naman po.
Uy, baka ma-feed. Ano to? Wala ba ma-discover ako? Baka ma-feed.
Tapos mamamoto yung pagod eh.
We're going to Soko.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Paano yun?
Patingin sa June.
Actually, I'm a Korean blogger here.
Huh?
Korean blogger.
Korean vlog.
Yeah, here. We are 3 Korean driver here. Yeah, yeah. You first time to ride the Korean driver?
Yes.
Yes po.
Yeah, this is your first time. Yeah, we are 3 Korean drivers here in Philippines. Yeah. You watching K-drama? Oh
Yes.
no. You watching?
Yes, we do.
안녕하세요.
야, 안녕하세요. Very popular, very basic. 학생이에요? Student?
Yes.
Where were you studying? Where?
Lasal Araneta po.
Lhasa. Where is Lhasa?
Malabon.
Malabon.
Malappo. What program you study?
Veterinary medicine.
Oh. It's like animals.
Yes.
What kind of animals?
Different species.
All kind.
Like what? Like
Dinosaur. Everything.
Dog, cat. Dog, cat, cattle.
그런데 여러분, what's your name?
What?
What is your name?
My name is Ron.
Ron?
R-O-N.
R-O-N. And how about the others here? What is your name?
Sunshine.
Sunshine?
Anthony.
Anthony?
Yeah.
Mary.
And how about the others?
Gay and Joy.
Yeah. 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요.
You know what is 반갑습니다?
No.
It means nice to meet you.
Oh.
우와, 고맙습니다.
Ano pa ba yung alam kong word?
Yeah, just call me Mr. Choi.
Mr.
Choi, yeah, Choi.
Choi.
Sound very
Yeah, that's my last name, Choi. And what is my last name?
Choi.
Yeah, Choi. Yeah, that's my last name. My first name is Tapa. Yeah, Tapa. Yeah. Tapa. Tapa, yeah. Tapa. Last name is Choi, Mr. Choi, yeah. Actually, I'm looking here. You know, here this is a Quezon City here, right? I'm looking at establishment for my business here. Business here. I have I need more establishment for mom. Yeah, milk tea. Milk tea?
Yes.
Yeah, that's my business here. Milk tea, takoyaki, you know that?
Oh, yes.
Wait. This is my tea business now. This is not a pump, and it is now a pen. It is called Rukada by Pone Battles. If you are nearby, can visit it here on tea.com. Just ways. Rukada by Pone Battle, and you can also franchise it for only EP9 House Hum, Meg Tea, and Huya Tea. For inquiries, just message them on Facebook. Rukada Basi.
Yeah, that's a business here. And who is your favorite Korean actor?
Oh, a lot.
Yeah, favorite, yeah.
Sino yun? Yung kapartner ni ano?
Kim Sono.
Kapartner ni Goblin. Ang galing nun eh.
Who is your favorite?
Ano pangalan nun, Kyle?
Kim Untak.
Don't really know her name.
Girl or
Girl.
girl? My favorite? Jongsu, yeah, Jongsu. You know Jongsu?
No.
Korean actor also, yeah, Jongsu. That first name is Jongsu. Last name is Pot.
What?
Pot. Jongsu, yeah, Jongsu, Korean actor, favorite, yeah. He's very popular there in Korea.
Ano kita?
But I like him. Filipino, very kind.
Oh.
Mabao.
Mabaho.
Mabait, yeah, mabait.
Naman.
Mabait tao. Mabait tao, right?
Sometimes.
Sometimes mabait tao.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
And also Philippines, a lot of nice place there, beaches here. Yeah. You been Boracay?
No.
No, bro. Expensive, I think expensive. I've been in Palawan.
Palawan is good.
Palawan po shop.
Phone shop.
Yeah, saving money.
Narinig ko. Ikaw na nani.
Filipino are very funny people. Yeah. I like the Filipino culture here. every day smiling, laughing, you know. Oh, you laughing, right? You happy,
Yes, we're happy.
you happy.
Yes.
And we are near.
Yes.
What are you? We're going to Soko.
Yes.
What are you doing there?
Sleep.
Sleep.
for a while.
Sleeping.
Yes.
Only one room?
Yeah.
Only one room?
Yes.
We think so.
Hmm?
If they allow it.
How if they allow?
Yes. But if not,
If not,
we're gonna
go
go.
home. Why you sleeping 1 o'clock?
Because of the aircon.
It's so hot outside.
Yeah, it's hot. Outside, yeah.
And the bill is very high. We hope it's
Yeah, here, Soko.
So.
So good, so clean, I think.
Yes.
not sure.
Where?
Sogo.
Ano, ipasok ko ba natin sa loob?
Sabi na nga ba eh. Sabi na nga ba eh.
Ano, pasok natin?
Nagahit ka lang eh.
Nagahit lang ba?
Mamaya ma-feature ako dito eh. Nakakita ko tao. Sabi na nga ba, nagahit ka lang eh.
So, okay lang isama ko sa content?
Yes po. Alam, madidiscover ako! Oh my God! Madidiscover ako.
Bakit?
Parang nanay mo nagsogo ka.
No!
Okay lang ba?
Opo. Picture mo ka.
Saan? Nasaan?
Ito yung camera natin.
Picture mo na. Picture.
So si Sir kanina, sabi ko, huwag kang sana kasi ipaprank natin yung ibang hindi nakilala. So sino yung nakilala sa akin?
Ako po.
So yung lahat kayo hindi na?
No.
No.
Sinabi niya lang.
Ha?
Hindi na lang sinabi.
Nag-anyo ha sa'yo pa ako dito.
English ako dito.
So ayun.
Sabi niya.
Ito, bibigyan ko kayo ng sticker. Yan. Ito ako nung search nyo ako sa
Magaling,
Facebook. Ayan, baka may shout out.
Shoutout
Yan.
po ay...
Shoutout kay Doc James.
Huy!
Love you, Doc James.
Shoutout po sa magulang ko. Matutulog lang po kami
Doc
sa
Jacob.
Shoutout po kay Doc Elma. Di ba po kami enrolled?
Doc Jacob,
Baka po ma-discover ako.
Yan.
Mga mag-enroll. Nag-aaral ka ba sa Korean?
Kunti lang. Smile.
Chita ka lang?
Nakakas kayo, it's a free ride.
Ay!
It's a free ride.
Serious po?
Ay, wow!
Totoo yan.
Medyo natutrauma na ako. Medyo di pa kami enrolled.
Nagko-content lang po ako. Naghahanap lang ako ng mga may content.
Balik ka na ulit
ganyan.
ko yung mamaya.
So yun lang. Out, baka meron pa. Sabol. Ayan.
Ika, Parma please.
Saan nyo na kami?
Parma.
Basta ano ha, mag-aral kayo ng mabuti ha.
Thank you po!
Yan.
Thank you
At
po!
matulog kayo ng mabuti.
Matutulog lang talaga.
Matutulog lang kayo ha. Okay, sige.
Thank you.
Thank you po! Bye-bye!
Ingat kayo.
Buksan nyo na kami. Buksan nyo kami. Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Kuya.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy. Thank you po kayo.
Ang isa pa. Yan. Ang cool. Ang cool talaga dito sa Sogo. Sir talaga. Muntik na mabuko.